I want to show you how to apply the style guide. So if we come to your board, I'm going to just draw a new rectangle here. And right now it's gray. If I go over to my fill, click on fill. If I just click on this gray box over here, it would bring me up my document colors, or I can type in a new thing. I don't want to do that though. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to these four dots, style, and then I can choose which one to apply. And just remember, we're using the style we're using our style guide to do this so that if I need to change the shade of blue in the future, and I already have, I have 5 different wireframes for my website laid out, I can change every iteration of this blue color by simply editing that color style. So it would save me hundreds of hours, no, just hours of work as to have a color style and just change that as opposed to having to click on every object and change it individually.